EdClick will bulk load your students into Testing Manager at the beginning of your use of this powerful tool and each school year thereafter. Beyond this simple bulk upload, adding and otherwise editing students is easy for your staff to do directly. In this tutorial video, we will cover adding students after bulk upload, assigning students to testing rosters, and reviewing and printing testing rosters. Here is how designated school personnel can add students into your system without EdClick's participation. On the Testing Manager Administrative Functions page under Configure for your school, click Add a Student to Testing Manager. This leads to a blank template for adding a student. Add the relevant information on the student. Notice how IEPs, behavior plans, and any other files can be uploaded for easy reference. Quite a bit of information can be specified for each student and is integrated across all EdClick products. Many schools use Discipline Manager, Testing Manager, RTI Intervention Manager, and other products together to power much of their specialized school operations. Use of multiple products is optional, of course, as each is built to stand alone as needed. Notice how you can easily upload a student photo here. After entering all the information you'd like to on a student, press Submit to save. You can always come back and edit later. Once you have customized Testing Manager for your school and your student data is loaded into the system, you may now choose to begin assigning students to testing rosters. To view and assign students to test rosters, look under the Input and Organize Data category. You can view and assign students to tests by your whole student population, or you can also elect to just look at special ed students, ESL, ELL students, or 504 students at any given time. Our samples in this video tutorial will use the For All Students example. Basically, three things can be accomplished from this page. You can define a group of students to choose from, you can add the students to a test roster, and if you'd like at this step, you can add accommodations for students, though you can always come back and do that at a later stage. Find Students By allows you to select the list of students from which you will add to your testing roster. It might work like this. I want to pick from all of the students in my school. In that case, don't change anything in the Find Students By pull-downs. Notice all 598 students in this school are listed. Or, I want to pick from 10th graders only. These are but two of the lists you can use. Then simply click by the names of students you wish to add to a testing roster. The roster can, of course, easily be edited in any way and can serve as a working document up to and beyond when your final rosters are set. For checked students, you can select accommodations, view testing profiles, and what we will do here, add students to a specific testing roster. By selecting View Testing Profile, we can see all 15 students we selected for this exam and click through them to review their testing profiles. Here we could also choose to select accommodations for these 15 students and assign them accommodations as appropriate, or we could always go back and do so later. We will discuss both student testing profiles and student accommodations in more depth later in this video tutorial series. Test rosters can be selected to optimize online viewing or for printing in a user-friendly format. Let's look at the online viewing format now. Select the test you would like to see a roster for. By not specifying a proctor, you will see all students assigned to the test regardless of whether they have been assigned to a proctor yet or not. I see here that Patrick Allen does not have a room assignment, though he does have students. Whereas my other proctors for this Algebra 1 test have a room number, capacity, and seat availability display. This view helps piece together the logistical puzzle of room assignments and so much more.